Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys basically where you can find your TikTok balance. So go to your profile page on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then you are going to select the three lines on the top right corner and you're just going to simply select balance. And here's where you can see the balance that you have. I'm just going to close this real quick. So I have not a lot here because I don't really use this account. Here you'll see the money you got from live rewards. So when people give coins, if you go to view, you'll be able to see how much you have, which is again I don't have a lot, and you can withdraw it. You need at least $5 to be able to withdraw money. You'll also be able to see how many coins you have left if you ever purchase any. And there's others as well here. There's also transactions down there. And yeah, that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. I think I already said that. I meant don't forget to click the thanks button if you found this video helpful. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.